This production metal filter cartridge is designed for dust removal in high temperature environments. The high temperature metal dust filter cartridge crafted from special metal filter materials. It boasts high porosity, strong pollutant carrying capacity, and a long lifespan, achieving outlet particle concentrations below 5 mg nominal conditions. The high temperature metal dust filter can endure equipment pressure difference below 600 par. With expectation regenerabilities, it offers a lifespan over 200% longer than traditional cartridges, saving on manpower and material costs. High temperature metal dust filter cartridges widely used in metallurgy, chemical engineering, and power. This batch of metal dust filter cartridge is used in the metallurgical industry in the smelting process of blast furnaces, converters, electrical furnaces. A large amount of high-temperature dusty flue gas is generated. High-temperature metal dust filter cartridges can effectively remove the dust and these flue gases, protect substandard equipment from wear and corrosion, and reduce environmental pollution. And if you need more details, please feel free to reach out.